Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker777 here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to share threads on your Instagram story. So let's go ahead and open our threads application here. Now, once you've identified a thread which you'd want to share, now down here beside the like, comment, repost button, you'd have this button to send or share the thread. Now, we have various options. We could add it to our story. We could post it to a feed. We could tweet. We could copy link. We could share via. Now, that would mean you could share it via WhatsApp or email or wherever. Now, if we select add to story, it will automatically open our Instagram story. And as you can see here, we have the option to send it directly to our story or send it to our close friends. Now, we could obviously add effects on it if we choose. We could select this, we could resize and all of that. So once a person taps on this, they would automatically go back to your threads profile and they will have the option to do what the action says. So let's click on share to stories, and as you can see, my story has been shared. It is currently posting. Now, once it has been posted, you could tap on it and select view on threads. And as you can see here, it would open the threads application and they would see my story. So that's basically it, how to share on story. You could also copy the link from the thread. You could share it and copy link and add it as a link on your Instagram story. So those are two ways in which you could do it. So thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Hack777 out.